everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how I made the Tiger Miraculous, which was a highly anticipated Miraculous so far because some of you have actually asked me to make it, which made me super happy. So without further ado, let's get into the materials we're going to use to make this awesome craft. As you can see, we're going to be using air dry clay, a glue gun, some yellow acrylic paint, a nail polish in the right color that I'm going to be showing you later, a slap bracelet, and some gold acrylic paint. Starting off, I'm showing you the bracelet that we're going to use for the bangle portion of this Miraculous. I decided to use a metal slap bracelet because it was sleek and it was easy to paint. It was actually having a pretty sleek and nice finish that I really liked. I don't know why this action happened. Alright, so I gave it a coat of gold spray paint. I actually gave it 2 coats of gold spray paint, so I would recommend you to do the same. So you can make it a beautiful gold color. Do it only on one side so that you save your paint for later. Here you're gonna see me shaping the base gem of the Miraculous. It is a very simple design to make, so don't get intimidated. It's just a plain oval with a flat bottom so it stays nice and flat on your hand. Smooth it out with water and you should be just fine. Make sure to measure it on your hand so you don't miss the proportions. The next clay part that you're going to make is the rings. You need 4 rings, 1 for each of your fingers other than your thumb. To make them, I would suggest to just roll out a nice thin layer of clay, cut it to rectangles and just wrap it around your fingers, not too tight, not too loose. Just make it the right shape so you can take it on and off pretty easily without it, dangling over or being too tight. You're gonna be the one who decides how tight you want your rings to be. After that, I gave them all a coat of beautiful white vinyl glue so the paint would stick better to them, as it would give them a nice smooth surface. So here you can see all the pieces that I made out of air dry clay when they're prepped with glue and all done and ready for paint. So let's get to painting them. For the rings, I give them all a nice coat of gold spray paint. Make sure you give them at least 2 layers so they're nice and shiny. When it comes to the beautiful gem, I painted it with this particular color of nail polish. I'm gonna be linking it below so you can see what color I'm using for yourselves. Although I'm not affiliated or anything, I just really thought this was a perfect color for the Tiger Miraculous. Here you can see it after 3 coats of this nail polish color. After that, as you can see, I'm gonna be using some yellow acrylic paint to create the paw. I'm using a toothpick to create it because it has an intricate small design. So after you're done painting, we're gonna start assembling a little bracelet, jewel, and rings together with some gold chain. I'm sorry I forgot to put this in the ingredients and everything you need, but I forgot, I'm so sorry, please forgive me. We're gonna put a dot of hot glue on the bangle and 1 on the jewel. I used 5 small pieces of gold chain in total, around 10 centimeters I'm gonna say. I didn't even use the entire necklace. So here you're gonna see how I attach them. A bit of hot glue on the bangle, a bit on the jewel, a bit on every single part of the ring, and 1 on the jewel. So you're gonna put this in all the rings and they're all gonna attach to the jewel. 5 small pieces in total. So as you can see here, I'm attaching the ring. This is the first ring that I attached and this is how it looked like. I was just measuring how much I need to cut and cutting it and gluing it with hot glue. And here it is all done. I'm super happy with this Miraculous. It's literally one of my favorites. A quick update, guys, I'm gonna be posting videos once a week, and also my phone is broken, which is why my audio is so bad. I have to work from an old phone. But I don't really care. I love you all so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!